Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates, and at the top we've got the software update, so let's tap. Your device will check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. The first one where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. It will show you the information that everything is up to date. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. As you can see, we've got this information here. You've got the info about the update, so what has been fixed, what has been added, etc. And all you have to do is to tap on download and install, and your device will basically apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.